Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia. For those of you that are visiting for the first time, today I will be sharing healthy snacks and well, pretty much healthy snacks or meal options for the summer for the kids. I have two teenagers that are going to be staying most of the time at home. They do have part-time jobs, but I just wanted to give them some healthier options. So I will show you how I organize my fridge for the healthy options to be accessible for them and for us as well. I will also be sharing a quick and easy recipes for I think I'm going to be making bread maker in a bread machine. I would like to make every week a different treat for them, so like oatmeal chocolate chip cookies or banana bread, and then I'm going to also share some freezer option healthy treat options. So without further ado, let's get started. So I like to keep my fridge well stocked with healthy snacks for them, so they can just reach in, grab some stuff. So some of the things that I keep on hand is a yogurt. I either buy the Mediterranean from Costco, which I don't have, they're individual containers, or the Liberté Greek yogurt, the 5% one, vanilla, tastes like ice cream, it's delicious, and it's nutritious. Then I always like to have some baked treats. One of the most popular ones is the banana bread, and I'm gonna share the recipe here. So I will be making banana bread in my bread maker, and I have my regular banana bread that I always make, and I'm just going to try and make it in a bread maker, so because I'm using the oven for something else, so that way I want to give it a try. I've seen people do it, so I think it's gonna work out. So first thing is you want to add your bananas. So there's about 1.5 cups of bananas in here, so about 3 bananas mashed. Then I need 2 eggs, and then instead of oil, I'm using applesauce, so 1/2 cup. And some vanilla. I use one that I make, and you put 1 teaspoon. Now I'm going to set this aside, and in a different bowl I am going to mix 2 cups of flour, and I'm just using white unbleached flour. Some baking soda, 1 teaspoon, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And I'm also going to add 1/2 cup of xylitol, or you can use Cervi, I think that's what it's called, or sugar. There, and I'm going to also add about 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. And just so you see, I use these chocolate chips for that. And now I will be adding it to the bread pan. And I will be turning the bread maker on at a rapid bake or a quick bread. And then I also like to have some sort of a protein, so we tend to go with hard-boiled eggs. And we make our own cured meat, so this is we didn't make, but sausages and pork loin, and those are great options for quick snack or even lunches. Baby bells, which I need to repurchase, are also a great snack to reach in, quick snack. And then lots of fruit, if you follow me, you know I meal prep. I've got blueberries, cherries, grapes are all the way at the back. Then I have strawberries here, and I also keep these guys on hand because they're quick and easy for them to grab. It's just little peppers. I think a lot of people use those as well. Avocados, my daughter loves avocados, and taking an avocado and sprinkling with bagel seasoning tastes absolutely delicious. I've got some applesauce for a treat as well. And then in the freezer, I also like to keep the little homemade freezer pops or freezies. They are, I'm gonna show you here how I make them. So another popular snack with my kids that I like to have on hand are popsicles or freezer pops, or I don't even know how to call them because they're not quite as popsicle-ish because I think they have more stuff in them. But anyways, so homemade ice cream bars type of thing. And in mine, I'm sure you've seen many people make these. I have recently seen Hillary on Old World Home make these as well. I like to add to mine either an almond or a coconut milk. I happen to have a almond coconut blend, and then and I just kind of eyeball it. And then any fruit you want. I want to use up my strawberries that I had picked a while ago, so I will be adding some of those. These are fresh strawberries that I picked at season, and then I froze them. And then I'll throw in a couple bananas. I just separate my bananas. I break them into 3 sections and I freeze them once they are ripen enough. And then from here you can go either you can add peanut butter, you can add cocoa powder, I will be adding some coconut, shredded coconut. And the one I'm using is unsweetened. And then the last thing that you want to add is some form of a sweetener. I will be adding a little bit of stevia. You can do honey, you can do maple syrup. Really, it's up to you what kind of a sweetener you want to use. And you can get these anywhere. think I got mine at a local grocery store. And into the freezer they go. Just wanted to mention that all the fruit that's in here is pre-washed and ready to go, so that way they have no excuse but to eat it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and if you're brand new to my channel, subscribe, stay a while, press the notification button, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day and happy summer.